Welcome, dear students, to Standard 7 Mathematics. This is teacher Sharon De Silva, and we are going to discuss chapter number 13, Pythagoras' Theorem. Right angle triangle. I'm sure by now you know what is a right angle triangle. You can see a few figures shown on the screen. So what is a right angle triangle? A triangle with one right angle is called a right angle triangle. The side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. So something like this. This is a right angle triangle. It has a right angle, one right angle. So the side opposite to that right angle, this side is known as the hypotenuse. The side at the base is called as the base side, and the perpendicular or the vertical side is known as the height. I will repeat. This is the hypotenuse, this is the base, and that's known as the height of the right angle triangle. Pythagoras, you see this particular picture? This person is Pythagoras. Let's see who he was. Pythagoras was a Greek mathematician of the 6th century BCE. He made important contributions to mathematics. His method of teaching mathematics was very popular. He trained several mathematicians. Since Pythagoras was the first to prove the theorem, it was named after him. Pythagoras' theorem. Now, what does this Pythagoras' theorem say? In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. My dear students, this is an extremely important sentence or extremely important theorem which you are going to do every year from now onwards. It's going to be extremely helpful in mathematics. So please pay attention. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. What is the meaning of this? Have a look at this particular figure. This is a right angle triangle. This is the base. This is the height or the perpendicular side. And this is the hypotenuse. So in this right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, hence we write hypotenuse square, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Hence I have written perpendicular square. Perpendicular is nothing but the height. You can also write over here height square plus base square. So what is the meaning of Pythagoras' theorem? In short, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. In this particular triangle, I can also write hypotenuse is side AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Or we can also write this as, if this is the right angle triangle, this is my right angle, this is the side opposite to it. That means this becomes the hypotenuse, this side is the base, and this side is the height. So I can say hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So a square plus b square is equal to c square, because c square is the hypotenuse. On the basis of this, my dear students, we will be solving a few sums from the exercise. We will do that in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.